How to ignore group chat on Messenger. If any day you would like to ignore your group chat on Messenger because you are being disturbed, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you need to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. It may be your data connection or your Wi-Fi connection as well. After you check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to launch the Messenger application on your mobile device. After you launch the very Messenger application on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the search icon on the very Messenger application and you have to search the very group which you would like to ignore. You just have to search the name of the very group, and after you search the name of the very group, you can see the option of the very group that you would like to ignore too. So after you find the very group there, you have to tap on the very group option there, and after you tap on the very group option out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the next option, that is, you have to go to the I option on the top. After you go to the I option on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next option, that is, you have to tap on the mute icon on there. After you tap on the mute icon, you can go to any of the option: mute message notification, mute call notification, mute message, and the call notification. Tap on mute message and call notification, and this way your very group will be ignored on the way of the message and call. You can mute the chat for the time you want and just tap on the option of until I change it, because this way you can just mute or ignore the group until the time that you want to change it, and this way you can ignore the group. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, do subscribe our channel.